income tax is funny because I haven't paid any in the past 3 years because I haven't had a job in the past 3 years. So I haven't paid in about $45 to $6,000, assuming I had a low end job, right? That's how much I haven't been paying in taxes. But why would I need to pay those taxes if I worked compared to if I didn't work, right? That's like saying, well, because you have this job, the government has provided that for you, so you need to pay them back. The government didn't provide me anything more than they have when I didn't have a job. In fact, it's these big businesses that are providing jobs, not the government. So again, why do I need to pay for systems and services I already had access to and the employment of someone who's not from the government to then pay me? Is it because you subsidize all these businesses with taxpayer money so that you need to get reimbursed? It's kind of weird to me because the majority of systems that I use, like the roads and everything else, are taxpayer funded, which I haven't paid taxes in because I don't have a job, so I don't pay income tax. I still pay sales tax, but still, it's interesting, right? Well, you need to pay taxes because this and that, but why just because you have a? It would make more sense if just by living you had a baseline amount of money you had to pay into the system, and then if you used the roads more than a certain amount, you paid a little bit more in taxes, and if you used X, Y, or Z a little bit more, and then we increased luxury taxes. But like me having a job and making money versus me not making money, the government is still providing the same amount for me. But somehow, when a private business provides me a company, a job, I have to pay taxes to the government for their portion of making that possible, but I don't have to pay them for their portion of making it possible for me to function in society generally. See the issue? It's a weird disconnect where it's like, well, you're not doing anything more than you're doing when you're asking me not to pay you anything. But then when I got this job, you're asking me to pay you, but you didn't help me get the job. You're not really finagling the systems, and you're saying, "Well, we don't meddle in this, but we've put in a little infrastructure into job safety and how jobs treat people, so you should pay us back." It's like, well, but you didn't make these jobs, and you're not making them better, and you're not making them pay better. They're just paying what they pay based on the company, not you. And I don't know. It's weird.